Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Are you excited about the potential of AI, but constantly hitting roadblocks with your data? You're not alone. Many organizations struggle to get the right data at the right time for their AI projects. Today, we're diving deep into how to build a rock-solid data foundation that will set your AI initiatives up for success. Let's get started. Let's face it, AI is powerful, but without high-quality accessible data, it's like trying to build a skyscraper on sand. Your algorithms are only as good as the data you feed them. So, how do we get this right? The key is to treat data as a strategic asset. Instead of letting it live in silos, you need a holistic approach. Let's break down the essential strategies. Start with a well-defined data strategy. This aligns your AI projects with your business goals, helps you identify data gaps, and ensures data democratization. Think of it as your AI roadmap. Robust governance is crucial for maintaining data quality and security. Define roles, establish standards, and ensure compliance with regulations. Regular audits and monitoring are a must. Data quality is paramount. Implement processes for cleaning, validating, and pre-processing your data. Remember, it doesn't have to be perfect, but it needs to accurately represent real-world scenarios and be free from bias. Now let's get into the practical steps. Create systems for easy access. Centralized repositories or data catalogs are your friends. Use attribute-based access controls to manage security. Don't limit yourself. Explore internal databases, public datasets, and even third-party providers. Combining diverse data sources enhances model performance. Automate as much as possible. Use tools to scrape data and integrate with existing systems. This saves time and keeps your data current. Proactive data quality is key. Regularly audit your data sources to ensure compliance and identify potential issues early. Encourage collaboration between IT, data science, and business units. Open communication is essential for aligning data needs and project objectives. Check out our video on data ops to learn more. Link in the description. By implementing these strategies, you'll significantly improve your ability to gather, maintain, and utilize the data needed for successful AI projects. This data-driven approach leads to better outcomes, maximizes your AI investments, and drives innovation across your business. Want to learn more? Visit our website and subscribe to our blog. Find the links in the description below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content on AI and data. Let me know in the comments which of these strategies you're going to implement first. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.